¿Qué lo que y'all? What's good? Estamos activo. Bienvenido. We are now more than 6,200 suscriptores. So big shout out to all y'all that have already joined La Comunidad. And if you're new here, welcome home. We're now on lesson 2 of our pronunciation series. So in the last lesson, we learned el alfabeto, and then we practiced it to a beat. So today, we're going to play mini games to test how fast you can recall las letras. And then at the very end, I'm going to give you a really big tip. So make sure that you stay tuned through the whole video so that you get the full message. For our first game, I'm going to randomly pull una letra, and you're going to tell me what it's called in Spanish. So I'm going to give a short pause to give you time to tell me, and then I'll come in with the answer. Try to answer as fast as you can, just the first thing that comes to your mind. All right, here we go. Se. Zeta. E. U. Ka. A. E. And the last one, Jota. Buen trabajo. If you got any of those wrong, don't sweat it. Just put a little star next to that letra in your notes so that you know to spend a little bit more time on that specific letra. Next, I'm going to give you the sound for a few letras, and you're going to guess the shape. Try not to associate it with the name en inglés. Just think of the shape. F, V, G, X, H, Ñ, M, and for our last one, N. Muy bien. For our third game, I'm giving you cuatro palabras to spell. So I'm going to give you some time to spell it out on your own before I come in with the answer. But if you need more time than that, then feel free to just pause the video. So I recommend using pen and paper or using a note app on your phone or something like that. So feel free to pause the video if you need to get prepared. Here's your first word. Spell house. House is spelled H-O-U-S-E. Spell frozen. Frozen is F-R-O-Z-E-N. Spell jackpot. Jackpot is spelled J-A-C-K-P-O-T. Spell building. Building is spelled B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G. Así se hace. You can run these exact same drills on your own or with other people, and that brings us to our big tip. This tip also doubles as some homework that I highly recommend that you do. So, learn how to spell in Spanish all the things that are important in your life. So your name, your email address, and your address. When you have those down, practice spelling your family and friends' names and then just random words you see throughout the day. Practice as much as you can because learning a language is really this simple. You get out what you put in. Keep practicing these first 2 lessons and I'll see you el viernes with lesson 3. Gracias por estar aquí. Hasta la próxima.